Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our next class. Did you guys hear the rain and the thunder last night? Oh, it was loud. It made me jump one time. But we do need rain. The plants, the flowers, the trees, they were very thirsty and they needed the rain. So thank you, Jesus. We needed it. Okay, Hen in the Fox's Den, a big group. Get your book, get your bookmarker ready. Henry's still here. He's having another sleepover, and I know I can trust him to be very quiet. He's in his little bed right now. I know I can trust you, Henry. All right, we are on page 36. Yesterday we did the letters A and I, which we knew the words. Today we are on vowel sound E. And so our ending is ed, E-D, ed. And that is already a word. It's a man, a boy, or a puppy's name. Capital E-D, ed. Okay, but let's add a B to that. A B to ed, B, ed, bed is our first word. Go down, put an L in front of ed, L, ed, led. Next, oh, I'm sorry, I missed F, F. Put an F in front of ed. Fed. Fed. Let's go down to number 4. We have a capital N. This is a boy or a man or a puppy's name. Capital N. Ed. Ned. Ned is a name. The last one, you already know it. It's the first color that we learned. R-E-D. Red, red, and the last one on the top, put a T, capital T in front of ed, ed, Ted, another man or boy or puppy's name, Ted. So let's read that list again. We have bed, fed, led, Ned, red, and Ted. Now go way down. We have one little word at the bottom. Ep is our ending. It's not a word, ep. But put P in the front. Pep. Pep means you do something with energy and excitement. You're not moving slow. You're excited and you're moving quicker and you just have a lot of energy. Pep. Okay? The rest of our words we know. Yeah. All right, that's your homework for tonight or today, to look over these words and your workbook page. It's 2 sides, page 59 and 60. Let's look at this together. You are looking at the picture at the top. Look at everything that's happening in this picture. It's a rainy day. There are 4 children outside. We don't know their names, but we know there are 2 girls and 2 boys. One has an umbrella. One little boy has a mop. There's a puppy. There's a red spinning top on the ground in the mud. The kids are wearing their rain clothes. It's a pretty messy day. We're going to read the phrase at the bottom, each one. If it is in the picture, you're going to put an X in the circle. That means yes, it's in the picture. If it's not in the picture, don't put anything. Okay. The first one says, a fat pup. Is there a fat pup in the picture? Good. This is right there. Put an X in the circle. Wet Ned. Okay, we see 4 wet children. Do you see a little boy who's wet? I see 2 little boys. Do you think one of them could be called Ned? Good, sure. Put an X in the circle. A red top. Did we say we saw a red top, the toy? Yeah, we did, right there. It's little, you have to really look close at it. It's tiny. So do we put an X in the circle? Yes, because there is a red top. What about a big cup? A big cup? Do you see a big cup? No. Don't put anything in the circle. The last one at the bottom, Mad Ted. Look at the little boys' faces. Could one of them be Mad Ted? Could it be this little boy? Yes. I think he's angry because he fell into the mud. So we're going to call him Mad Ted. So do we put an X in the circle? Yes, very good. Okay. I did this side. Well, we did it together. I'm going to let you do the whole thing now. Remember, the answers are always in the picture. So study the picture first. Then turn your paper over to page 60. This is our riddle page. You have to read the 3 riddles. Circle what the answer is. We're going to do the first one together. It is big and fat. It can jig in lots of mud. Jig means dance. It runs and digs in a pen. So we're looking for something that's big and fat, can dance in mud, and runs and digs in a pen. Is it a fog? Fog is like those clouds in the morning. Wet clouds, that doesn't do those things. Is it a hop? Like when a bunny rabbit hops? No. Is it a hog? Can a hog do those things? Can it be big and fat? Can it dance in lots of mud? Can it run and dig in a pen? Yeah, I'd say yes. So you will circle the words a hog right here. Okay? So then read the riddles at the bottom. Find which is the right answer and circle it. Okay, that is our reading assignment. Next, our seat word. We are doing packet 7. We're on class 16, but we're on packet 7, just so you'll be able to find the seat word. And this page has 2 sentences. They want you to draw the picture for. You read it. You know these words. Good. Nan ran. Draw a little girl named Nan running. You can do that and color it. Down here, Dan can fan wag. So draw the little boy Dan with a fan in his hand and little Wag sitting next to him. Okay? So that's your beginning page. Now let's turn to the next page. Addition equations. Add up the numbers. Put your answer or your sum in the box under the line. Remember that line means equals and that the answer's coming. Okay, let's just do 2 together. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals. Good. 4 goes in the box. 4 plus 1 equals. Good. 5 in the box. Okay, you do the rest. And then turn to this page. We have a big egg with squiggly lines, and we have some numbers, but we have a lot of empty blanks for missing numbers. Find the missing numbers and fill them in. And if you want to put a little color, you can. That would be nice. Now we turn to the next page. This is kind of like a shape page. This is when we take a shape, a flat shape, like a circle, and we give it dimension where we can pick it up. And often that is a ball. That's the best example for a circle. And if we turn it into a ball, then it becomes a sphere. Very unusual word, sphere. It's still circular, but it's something you can hold and play with and throw back and forth. So you're going to find all the shapes that are spheres and color them yellow. Then we go to the cone shape. This is remind you of a triangle. A triangle shape. It is called a cone when it's the shape that you can pick it up. And the ice cream cone is a really good example. And the carrot. It can be this way or laying down. It doesn't matter. It resembles a triangle shape. And so that is called a cone shape. Then we have the cube shape, which starts as a square. The 4 equal lines, a square. But then you turn it into a box or a block. And it's something that you can pick up and hold and build with. And it is called a cube. So all the cubes you're going to color blue. So spheres are yellow, cones are red, cubes are blue. I think that's a fun page. Then turn to this side. You have a giant ladybug. Circle the largest number on each dot. Okay, the largest or the biggest number. 10, 70, 100. Which number is the biggest? Good, 100. Let's do another one. 6, 16, or 60. Which number is biggest? Good, 60. Very good. Okay, do all the numbers. Biggest number in each circle and a little color maybe. Then we are on our blend page. First we have the flag, the blend FL. Find the words that begin with FL, fla, PR, pr, FR, fra, like frog, PL, like plug, PL. And either circle or color the pictures with those blend sounds. Now turn to this side. You are connecting the dots from 5. 5 begins at the star here, all the way to 100. Counting by 5s. Take your time. Find the next number before you draw the line. Okay? And then you can color your picture. It goes with a baseball. I bet you already know what it is. Okay, then turn. Oh, some missing numbers. What do we have back here? Was that missing letters? That was missing numbers too. Write the missing numbers in each row. Some of these numbers get a little big. Take your time. Say the numbers to yourself in your head, out loud if you need to. Fill in the missing ones. Then turn to this side. Our new math game, subtraction, which y'all are doing so well. Subtraction means take away a number. The answer under the equal sign is called the difference. For addition, the answer was called the sum. In subtraction, the answer is the difference, and it goes in the box. Let's do a few. 5, we have 5 little fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or is that birds? It's birds. Sorry, guys. We have 5 little birds, but 1 little bird is flying away. So 1 is taken away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 4. Oh, I'm sorry, boys and girls. Oh, my goodness. And all I had was iced tea. Okay, 5 little birds, but 4 are leaving. 4 little birds are leaving. How many little birds are left? 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1 little bird left. 1 goes in the box. Just remind me of fish too. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do this one. Oh, little birds. Okay, because I'm holding the paper. I don't want to put it down. 4 little birds minus 3. Another answer with 1. 4, take away 3 is 1. 1 in the box. Okay, and you know what? You should X out the number they say. 5 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll put an X on 4, and you can see there is 1 left. Okay, time to move on. Next page. Oh, we have a basket of eggs. Okay. Addition. Write your answers on the line And then color code your eggs, color coded. If the answer is 5, yellow, 2, blue, 4, orange, 1, green. And the basket, they say, make it BROWN. What color is that? BROWN. Good. Brown. Brown. Very good. Oh, and that's our last page. Look at that. Okay. That's all for our seat work. Now let's move on to our cut and glue. This is the page you're doing. It's a rhyming page. You have 6 words, 6 boxes, and then you have 6 pictures. Read the word. Car. Car rhymes with star. Cut out the star, glue it by the car. Hen. Hen rhymes with p. Change it to a P. P. Good. Pen. Pen. Okay, what's the next one? You tell me. S-U-N. Good. Sun. Sun rhymes with which one? Sun. Did you guess? Run. Sun, run. You're right. Good. Okay. Pen. Run. Star. That's your last 3 words. And look, this is a blend. S-T. Stop. Star. Okay, good job, guys. When that is finished, your next paper is your blend page. It's in your book for the blend PL. Oh, look at that. Miss George doesn't have any examples there. Oh, my goodness. Okay, let us all be thinking. Let's put on our thinking caps. I will get the dictionary out and quickly go to the PL words. Oh, I see some good ones already. Okay, I'm going to let you guess. I'm going to give you riddles, and you guess what the picture is. The first one, it flies in the sky, and it transports people to different places. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a plane. Does plane begin with the blend PL? Plane, yes. Good. Okay, next. Next. I really like this one too. We live on one. There are many that float in the universe. Do you know what they're called? Are they called planets? Yes, they are planets. And I just made the planets called Saturn with a big ring around it. Saturn. Moving along. Oh, there's a lot of good ones. These grow outside in your house. They can have flowers on them or just leaves, different shades of green and yellow. What is it called? Is it a plant? Yes, it is. Plant. Okay. One more. One more good one. Boys and girls, thank you for being so patient with me. Okay, this is a fruit that you might not know too much about, but they're good. They are dark purple. Some are reddish, but reddish, dark red to dark purple, and they're juicy and they're good. I really can't explain it. They're like golden on the inside, but if you've never had one, maybe it'd be a good time to try one. They're called plums. A plum. So it's a fruit. Very good. So we have plain, planet, plant, plum. Talk to your family. There will be other good PL blend words. So you pick the ones that you like. Okay? All right. Next, our last page is Explode the Code. It's pulled out of your book. And you are asking questions here. And we have a yes box. All these are yeses. The right side is no answers. Can a raft, a raft that you put in the water, can it melt like ice? What do you think? Can a raft melt? I would say no. I would put an X in the no box. Number 2, can you trap an ant in a net? What do you think? I'm going to say yes. The net has to be very tiny openings so that the ant can't get out because the ants are tiny. But yes, you could. Yes. One more. Will a clock hunt? Hunt? A clock? Is a clock a living thing? No. A clock cannot move and talk and walk and hunt. So let's put an X in the no box. No. A clock cannot hunt. Okay, finish the rest. You can do it with a friend or a family member. Then turn to this side. Remember the answers in the picture. Look at the picture first. Put an X in the right sentence in the box. The ant is wet, or the ant met a pet. Do you see drops of water on that ant? Yes. The answer is the ant is wet. Put an X in the first box. Oh no. Okay, oops. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's look one more. Look at the picture. Glenn has a gift of plants, or Glenn has a gift of pans. Let me look again. Okay, guys, is that plants or pans? Plants, right? Yes. So it's the first one. Glenn has a gift of plants. So put an X in the first box. Hey, you can work on these pages with a family member if you would like and when they have time. Okay, boys and girls, that's all for today. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you get outside and enjoy the sunshine. It rained hard last night, but the sun's out today. It's a really nice day. Okay. See you next time. Love y'all. Bye.